Can you just lay it with that can?
Baby, don't hold the can straight up. Hold it
Oh,
sideways.
it's silly stuff.
I'm aware of that. It's okay.
Mama said we eat that
Right,
fish.
Gene, that's wax. So you spin it.
Tammy, pull them. Tammy.
Wait,
Happy
Cups back.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wyatt. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
You didn't miss a beat, did she?
Just couldn't contain it. His spring's strong and he was done.
right, Gene.
Alright,
Right,
last time give me a knife and I'll get you a piece of cake.
Good job.
My tummy's grumbling.
Knife.
They had
Wyatt.
dinner.
You didn't even pay attention.
That's
Wyatt.
not my dinner.
Shelby, move your hand. Wyatt. Smile.
Haley's blessing
What?
the food.
Smile. How old are you?
No, she.
Hush.
Shh.
I want a bite.
Y'all listen to Haley sing.
I want a bite.
Yeah, she's
Did you
trying
sing
to.
happy birthday?
No.
Yeah.
She was just
Give me
singing
this.
under her
Okay,
voice
give me
over here. Under.
Wyatt.
You singing?
Wyatt Jean.
Wyatt, look at
Alright.
Rams.
How old are you?
Wyatt, how old are you?
Wyatt. Look at me. How old are you?
Talk to Grams. I'm getting a cake.
How old are you?
How old are you?
5.
5.
I hear.
Right, Gene. Hey, Brooke, say you happy birthday.
Good Wyatt.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Josh is next.
That's my dad's job.
No, Josh is not next. Haley's next.
Who's the next biggest baby?
Me.
He is a
You got
baby.
him.
I want Patrick.
Her.
Huh?
I want Patrick. No.
Where
I get football. No. The treasure chest?
I do. That's the easiest
Can I
one
have-
is that
can I
white
have
one
the
to me.
Right there.
No. Oh, yes.
Where's your mother? Okay, fine. Haley gets whatever I give her.
I said, can I have a piece of
Brittany.
note? And I like,
Bring Haley
and
over
notes
here.
on him, and he said, yep.
Right, Gene, say it. A small one.
Where's Wyatt? He's supposed to get the first. Oh,
He's making
okay.
ice cream.
You were still singing. That is so sweet.
Oh,
Hold on. Don't touch it.
I want a piece of
I'm ready to go over here.
Why? I want a piece of treasure chest.
Strap, baby.
Put it on here for you.
I'm gonna lick it. Hold on. This is
Ah!
Right, Gene, there's your cake and ice cream.
Look, now he's gonna remember that next time I have birthday. He's gonna be like,